Hello dear runners, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here. Today we're going to be making very moist chocolate. I can bet you that this is going to be the best chocolate cake you've made in a while. These are the list of ingredients. I'm going to give a detailed recipe in the description box below, so do well to check it out. So you're going to turn some flour in a bowl, add your cocoa powder, add your baking powder, your salt, basically all of your dry ingredients, and then you're going to give that a very good mix. Now you're mixing all of this so that they can blend properly. You're going to break some eggs in a bowl, add some sugar. You're going to mix that as well until it is well blended. Then you'd go in with your vegetable oil. You're going to also give that a good mix to combine. You're going to be doing a lot of mixing, so just prepare. Then you're going to add your buttermilk, and if you'd like to know how I make mine, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll give you a recipe. Then you're going to go in with some flavor, give that a good mix as well. Then you go in with the dry ingredients, and then you just give it another mix it carefully to combine until it is properly done. Look at how beautiful this looks. Like, you could already tell that the texture and the color is just going to be perfect. You're going to add some hot water and then give it a good mix. The hot water helps to bring out the richness of the cake. You're going to go with some Nescafe, which is totally optional, but trust me, it gives it a very nice taste. Then you're going to give it a good mix. Get a greased pan. You're going to turn in your batter, and then you would heat it to remove any excess bubbles. Then you're going to bake it in an oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then your cake is ready. You're going to insert either a skewer or toothpick or fork, whatever you have, and then when it comes out smoothly and just like you can see on your screen, then you know that it's perfect. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.